Hi there, I'm Esther with Luxe Architectural. Thank you for your interest in our self-adhering wall molding kits. In this video, I'm going to show you how to measure for our 3-piece wall molding kit. Our premium quality wood moldings are made here in the USA and arrive fully assembled with a special pre-applied adhesive on the back that eliminates the need for nails or glue. It also allows for them to be repositioned during the installation process if needed. And because we use a high quality foam adhesive, it will conform and adhere to lightly textured walls. All of our kits come with easy to follow instructions and a worksheet, but we're also going to cover the same information in this video. Our 3-piece wall molding kit is great when you have 8-foot tall ceilings, which we are going to be working with here today, or 9-foot tall ceilings with crown molding. But we also have a selection of wall molding kits that will work with any height and any length wall. All you'll need is a pencil and a measuring tape. Let's get started. First, measure the height and the length of your wall. Measure from the ceiling or from the bottom of the crown to the top of the baseboard. Then measure from corner to corner of your wall. The length of this wall is 120 inches, so this gives me room for 4 of our 24-inch 3-piece wall molding kits. So there's no set rules with regard to spacing between panels, but generally you want to aim for about 3 to 6 inches. If you have longer walls and wider frames, then you can make that spacing a little bit larger. The main goal is just to have it aesthetically pleasing. The combined width of my panels is 96 inches. Subtracting that from the length of the wall leaves me with 24 inches. I have 4 panels, which means 5 spaces, because you're always going to have one more space than panel. 24 inches divided by 5 spaces is 4.8 inches. To make it easier, I'm going to round my spacing between panels to 4 3/4 of an inch, picking up the difference at either end of the wall and making that space 4 7/8. To make my life a little bit easier when I'm marking out my wall, what I do is I make a mark on my measuring tape with a Sharpie so that when I'm going through and marking out my wall, it's just super easy to make those pencil marks, and then I just simply wipe it off with a little bit of rubbing alcohol when I'm done. Or the other option for spacing, if you only want to deal with round numbers, is to make the end spaces 6 inches and then between panels 4 inches. All 4 horizontal spaces can be exactly the same, or if you would like, the top horizontal and the bottom horizontal space can vary. Just be sure that the second and third horizontal spacing, so the one above and below this middle frame, is exactly the same. My wall height is 89 inches and the combined frame height is 78 inches, which leaves me with 11 inches. So I'm going to make my spacing 2 3/4 of an inch. Also remember to consider any outlets, switches, or vents when laying out your design. Always remember, if you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to send us an email or give us a call. Now that you have your design, you're ready to place your order. And this is how your kit will arrive, in a big box like this. Your moldings will be wrapped in paper, bubble wrap, and include a worksheet and installation instructions. To see how easy installation is, check out the link below for our tutorial. Thank you so much for following along with me. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next video.